Hello guys, this is Gay here from Orion, and in today's workshop we're going to try to show you how to set your crossovers when you're installing Orion mid-ranges. Okay guys, so first of all what you need to know is the frequency response of the mid-range you have. It can be a Cobalt mid-range or an Hcca mid-range. Either way, go into the manual and look for frequency response. It will let you know where your mid-range will start playing and where it will stop playing. So it may be from 100 hertz up to 10 kilohertz, but it will depend on the mid-range you have. Okay guys, we got to understand the frequencies response. Now I already said you got a frequency response of 150 in the mid-range we're handling right now. It doesn't mean that your crossover point will have to be at 150. Remember, you want to protect your investment. You want to protect your mid-range. So I will set it up either on the higher octave or a little bit higher on the crossover points. So if you had a 150 hertz frequency starting point, you'll set it up maybe on 180, even 200. If you got a good filter or a good amplifier, that means the 150 hertz frequencies will not hit as strong as the regular other frequencies will hit on the mid-range. This way you'll protect not only the voice coil, but the cone as well. Okay, now that you already set the low pass crossover, you have to set the high pass one. So you will have all these frequencies in between playing. So let's say this mid-range stops playing or around 9 kilohertz, okay? You don't want to cut again at 9 kilohertz. You should cut below it. So those frequencies you're cutting here at maybe 5 kilohertz, and you'll still receive 6, 7, 8, 9 kilohertz, but at less power. This will give you a cleaner sound because you will focus the frequencies that you want to play on that certain mid-range. So talking about optimizing the performance of your mid-range, if you want to really put those 500 watts RMS that it can handle, you should do it in between the frequency response of your mid-range. Remember, don't go from 150 and 9 kilohertz. Just go in that frequency range and you'll be safe. You will not have any mid-range cones cracking, and you will not have any voice coils burn. You'll have clean sound coming from your Orion Hcca mid-ranges. So there you go, guys. That's all for our workshop today on how to set your crossovers when using Orion mid-ranges. If you want to know more about those little products or how to set more products from Orion, log on to orioncaraudio.com.